Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. So earlier this year I moved my sewing room from one bedroom to another for a couple different reasons, but the main reason was I wanted a chance to go through everything that I had, organize it better, and see, for one, what I needed to stock up when Joann's closed, but also just to kind of just organize everything better, get a better feel for what I had, and kind of just, I don't know, start over a little bit. So just kind of wanted to show it to you, see, y'all could see where I do my sewing. So against one wall I have my sewing machine and my serger, and a little gallery wall of some artwork and stuff. And my sewing machine and serger sit on a countertop that I got at a like Home Depot or Lowe's, and it sits on some storage units. One is like a cube storage unit, and then there's a drawer storage unit, and that's what it sits on. Some of my tools there are in an IKEA spice rack that I painted. Those are the tools that I use every day. Have some of my other various little tools, scissors and things, and then my little floating shelves with things I've collected over the years, buttons and thimbles, little kitties, things that make me happy. Shelves are up across one wall of the room, and that's where I put my patterns. I keep my patterns in comic book boxes, and you'll see that they're overflowing, so they're sitting on the top as well, so it's probably time to go through and purge. And then my fabric is in, I believe they're Billy bookcases from IKEA, and I've got one of the bigger ones and then 5 of the smaller ones, and it's really enables me to keep my fabric kind of sorted. Have a cute little mobile ironing station, some of my top patterns I'm using, and again you'll see there my storage underneath where I keep my sewing machine, thread boxes. I've also got like all my needles and bobbins and stuff are in the drawers there. Fabric, I've kind of organized it. Cottons are at one end, apparel fabrics at the other, organized by either type or color. This is definitely not all the fabric I have, and we will not discuss the garage. But this is a new addition, and I'm so proud of it. It's this rolling table kind of cabinet that I've made, and this is kind of where I film all my shows, my videos. You'll see the lights there, and I built this myself. Have everything organized in it and labeled. The pegboard on the side for my rulers. The one side has all my sewing stuff in it, and the other side, the drawers are a little bit wider, and it's got more of the crafty side of sewing, I guess you could say. My desk, my cute little mushroom lamp, and my curtain with my doilies across, and have some, this is my little corner. I've got some old sewing supplies from my mother and grandmother, some of my favorite quilts that I've made. I just house here on a simple little ladder I made. I have my little pen collection, and a whiteboard for notes, and then some of the books that I have. Not going to show you inside the closet right now. Most of that is craft supplies. That's where I keep my Cricut dress form, which don't know if it'll stay there, but for right now it's there. And some more cube storage units that I got at Target that are all labeled. These have things like trim, zippers, stuff like that in it. more little things at the top, my trophies from the years of ballet, and some buttons, old thread, just little knickknacks, a very old iron I picked up at an estate sale, and really tried to keep everything organized here into smaller space. So behind the door, just have some extra like bags and things like that. But the room is 10 by 10, so it's smaller than what I was in, but I think it works. And I love the fairy lights that I had to put at the top because, sometimes things are just better with fairy lights and a garland of pom-poms. So, very proud of this, and I'm looking forward to doing a video in the next month or two answering some questions that y'all might have for me about sewing or how I got into sewing or anything like that. So feel free to leave any questions down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer as many of them as I can. The video will probably come out in about a month or so. But I just wanted to kind of show y'all, where the magic happens and where I sit and sew. And this picture here is great. This is how I kind of move my sewing desk out of the way. But my brother was very helpful in drawing up the plans for this sewing cabinet. And I had fun building it. So that was a lot of fun. Had to go through and kind of pet everything again and organize everything. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all where I film my videos, where my happy place is, and y'all feel free to leave any comments, questions that y'all have. Make sure you subscribe so that you can get all of my videos on sewing and upcycling and an occasional crafting. But happy sewing, y'all.